to chocolate cake. What are your thoughts on chocolate cake in the Philippines? Okay, hello. Today we are doing a fun video. I'm with Ellie again. We are going to be trying to make a pancake. And I'm not talking about like a pancake, like the fluffy ones. I'm talking about a cake in a pan.
Yeah.
So this is a video.
Wait.
Do you want like...
Yeah, wait. It's like that.
That's what we're trying to
Today
make.
we're making this amazing 10 minutes no oven chocolate cake.
And so that's what we're going to be trying to make. Couldn't get like every ingredient, so instead of cacao powder, I have dark chocolate. We'll see how that goes. Turning the chocolate into little bits so we can hopefully melt it into this.
Number one, I think the shirt is too small. It's,
Why? You look good.
what?
Yeah, you look good. Crushing it up a little bit more. I'm gonna add butter to this. Oh my god. This is just chaotic baking. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to.
Yeah.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, just leave it like that for now. And then.
See?
Ooh. I feel like we're gonna actually just need all 4 of those because this is not enough. Ooh. Hopefully that's okay. We haven't watched that far into the video. We're good. What is that?
What is
Oh,
this?
powder. It's flour and milk.
Okay.
Okay, pause. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off because I'm scared it's gonna burn.
Yeah.
Off of
You have
this.
baking soda?
I don't have baking soda. Oh no.
That's called lutang.
Oh no, I forgot the baking soda. So yes, we are off to go find baking soda and sugar because we don't have
much sugar.
Yeah, exactly. Plus Michael takes sugar in his coffee, so if we use it all, he'll be a little peeved. We got the sugar
And the
and a
powder?
little, yeah, some chocolate powder, but we did not find baking soda yet, so hopefully we can get some. We're just trying to go to like each of the stores to see if there's anything.
Yeah.
We have the goods.
Yeah.
It's time to continue our cake making. All right, so we've added the milk and sugar into our mix. It's looking okay. You just gotta make. All right, the lid's on. We're supposed to watch this for 10 minutes. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna just be a pancake, but we'll see if it rises or not.
So,
Okay, so this was my fault. It is burnt around here because I set the temperature too high. Otherwise, okay. So as you can see, we're shaping the cake right now because we didn't fail. We just are a little extra. Somebody is here to judge our work very loudly. Look at it, on a mission. Oh my god, little gremlin, what the heck? She's putting the icing on. Wait, the chef is kidnapping.
I'm good.
Look at that, see, cake, it's cake, right? It's cake.
Hi.
Oh, I got a bug.
There's
Not
a
anymore.
Okay. Michael should cut it. See?
I'm on our dirty table.
Yeah, it's okay.
This is the one furniture we do have.
Yes, this is our furniture right now.
Yeah, cake.
Oh, she's good at cutting.
There's 2 layers, so just be careful.
Oh, I'm getting down there, you know?
Right, the main one.
All right.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Isn't it salam?
Salamat.
Salamat
Salamat po.
To chocolate cake. what are your thoughts on chocolate cake in the Philippines? Oh my god, okay.
All right, you did a good job.
There's burning inside.
Don't ignore that. Just
I'm
spit that part
ignoring.
out.
I'm ignoring
Oh.
the burning inside.
I'm ignoring. Oh.
We don't know that.
We don't know
her. No burnt.
It's like
Nice.
a dark chocolate inside.
It's dark chocolate. Don't ask questions. Don't ask questions, okay? It's dark chocolate. No questions.
No paparazzi.
No paparazzi, please. Chocolate cake.
Another good day. Thanks for coming.
Another good day in Boracay. Hanging out with Ellie and just living life. It's good. I'm glad you guys could watch with us. I hope you have a fantastic day or night or whenever you're watching this. And I will see you next time. See you later.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back.